Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the GVM 560 LED Smart Video Kit with the GVM app. First download and install the GVM Easily app on your phone. So go to Play Store or App Store and type GVM Easily in the search box. Then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once installed, open the app. Allow the app to access photos, media, and files on your device. Now let's set up the first video light. Let's say the one on the right. So first, power it on. Tap on the setting icon on the top left side of the screen. Then tap on Switch Wi-Fi. Now tap on GVM_LED and input the password GVM_admin. Then connect. Now go back, then back again. The app will start connecting to the light. After a few seconds, a pop-up message will appear. Tap on it. Then select Yes. Now the app is connected to the light. I can now increase or reduce the color-corrected temperature. I can also increase or reduce the intensity. Now tap on the setting icon again. Then tap on Modify Wi-Fi. Here I'm going to change the Wi-Fi that the video light is broadcasting. Instead of GVM_LED, I will use Wi-Fi right, for example. And I will give it a new password, let's say right123. Then confirm. Now tap on Switch Wi-Fi again and select Wi-Fi right from the list and input the new password. Then connect. Go back twice. Wait for the pop-up message. Then tap Yes. All done. I've completed setting up the video light on the right. Now I will follow the same steps to set up the left video light. First I will power it on, then go to Settings, tap on Switch Wi-Fi, connect to GVM_LED, then go back twice, wait for the pop-up message, then tap Yes, then go to Settings and modify the Wi-Fi name, let's say Wi-Fi left. And input a new password. Then confirm. Now switch Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi left. And input the new password. Then connect. Go back twice. Finally, tap Yes for the pop-up message. All done. I can now control my left video light as illustrated. Please note that the app doesn't allow you to control both video lights at the same time. So whenever I want to control my video light on the right, I will switch to Wi-Fi right. And whenever I want to control my video light on the left, I will switch to Wi-Fi left. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.